Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's session on choosing the right programming language to start your coding journey. We'll be comparing Python, Java, and JavaScript, three of the most popular languages, to help you decide which one suits your goals the best. Let's get started. Before jumping into the details, let's talk about why we're here. Choosing the right programming language is the first step to a successful coding career. Whether you're aiming for data science, web development, or building enterprise apps, this decision sets the foundation for your learning path. Why is picking the right language so important? Because each language serves different purposes. Your goals, like becoming a data scientist, a web developer, or an app developer, will determine the best language for you. Key factors to consider are ease of learning, community support, and demand in the job market. Let's start with Python. Known as the beginner-friendly language, Python's simple syntax and readability make it a favorite among new programmers. It's widely used in data science, web development, automation, and artificial intelligence. If you're curious about machine learning or want to build web applications, Python is an excellent choice. However, it might not be the best option for large-scale enterprise apps. Next, we have Java. Java is a robust, versatile language that has been around for decades. It's commonly used for enterprise applications, Android development, and large-scale back-end systems. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it incredibly powerful. While it has a steeper learning curve compared to Python, it's an excellent choice if you're aiming for scalability and enterprise-level applications. And now, JavaScript, the language of the web. JavaScript powers interactivity on websites, making it essential for front-end development. If you're passionate about creating dynamic, user-friendly web applications, this is the language for you. Plus, with frameworks like React and Angular, it's in high demand. Just keep in mind, for full-stack development, you'll need to pair JavaScript with other technologies like Node.js. Here's a quick comparison to make things easier. Python is the easiest to learn and excels in data science and web development. Java, while more complex, is highly versatile and perfect for enterprise and Android applications. JavaScript is essential for web development, especially for front-end frameworks. Each language has its strengths, so it's all about aligning them with your goals. So, which language should you start with? If you're a beginner who values simplicity and versatility, Python is a great start. If you want to work on enterprise systems or Android apps, Java is the way to go. And if web development excites you, JavaScript is your best bet. Remember, it's all about your interests and career goals. Here are some quick tips for beginners. First, identify your goals. Do you want to dive into web development, data science, or app development? Start with Python if you're looking for an easy learning curve and versatility. Choose Java if you want a challenge and are interested in large-scale applications. Go with JavaScript if web development and front-end frameworks excite you. Stick with it, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. To wrap up, the best language for you depends on your goals and interests. Python is perfect for beginners and data enthusiasts. Java is excellent for robust enterprise systems and Android apps. JavaScript is a must-have for web developers. Let me know in the comments which language you're leaning towards. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on programming and technology. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!